Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, February the 4th, 2021. Yes, we have only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and that's all. No additional with extra Sudokus. Yes, so no extra Sudokus, only one. I can show you. Let me zoom this out. No extra Sudokus for today. And the solution is to continue with yesterday's newspaper. Because in yesterday's newspaper we have 4 Sudokus left. The 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 1 star, 2 stars, 1 tectonic, and 1 binary. Yes. So I will continue with those Sudokus. Anyway, only one regular Sudoku. Medium Sudoku. Let me zoom this out. Zoom this out, yes. Position the camera. Yeah. Oh, wait 2 minutes. Alright, and this Sudoku will be a number. Let me see, 22. What was the last? 2272. Yes. It will be number 2272. Alright. And what kind of binary? What kind of a medium Sudoku is this one? 4 plus 3 is 7. Plus 3 is 11. 12, 13, 14. Plus 5 is 19, 20, 22, 24, 28. Wow. 28 pointed digits. So it must be easier than the 1 star. Because the 1 star has 27. Let me see. 4, 4, 4. 12, 15, 18, 19, 24, plus 4, yes, 28. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 4 in this third column, 4 in the second column? So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Yes, zoom this out. Alright. And then how about in this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for a 2 should be there. How about these 3 missing numbers? The 1 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 148, 148. We see here 4, we see there 4, so no 4s in those two boxes. One box left for the 4 should be there. 1 and 8 are left. Let me mark those two boxes because I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then. 7 and 9. 1, 7 and 9. Alright. 7 in this column. 7 in the last column. So the column between. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next. The only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. Then 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 6 should be there. And then 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in those two boxes. One box left for the 1 should be there. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. 9 and 6. Let me mark those two boxes. I cannot fill this yet. That means 2 boxes left in the middle row. Those numbers are the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5 are left. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column, the 1 and the 8. 1 and the 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. And now, how about the numbers? Let me see. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be there. Then. How about yeah. We have a pair. 5 and 6 in this column. 5 and 6 in the column next. So in that column, 2 boxes left for this column for the 5 and the 6. Should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 3. 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Two, 6. I need a 6 and a. Alright. How about the number? These two numbers in this row: 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, last row, 6 in the row above, so in that row, only place for a 6 should be here. Now we have a 6 here, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be the 9. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers of 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the first column. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. 5 and 7. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And then 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. And look, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. 7 and 3. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 3. 4 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be an 8. And the last 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. All right. Quick Sudoku medium to solve, and I'm pleased with the time. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great day, and I will continue later with the Sudokus of yesterday. Yes, because there are no extra Sudokus today. So I will continue with yesterday's Sudokus in additional. Thank you. See you then. Bye bye for now.